The Psalm 23 you didn't know. Kung madungog na to ang Psalm 23, murag hayahay, malinawon, pero nakoy pangutana. What if everything you imagined was incomplete? Kaysa tinuod lang, sa yuta sa Israel, green pastures are rare. Still waters, dangerous if you don't know where to stand. And shepherd, the word was political. Sa ancient Near East, Psalms 23 was not a background music. It was a declaration of survival, a covenant manifesto, a statement about who the real king is. Mao ni ang big idea. Psalms 23 is not just a sweet poem. Dili lang ni pang-comfort verse sa bisan unsa nga situation. It is a royal declaration written in the language of shepherds, deserts, banquets, and battlefields. Sa karaang kultura, ang shepherd mao ang titulo sa hari. Mga emperador sa Egypt, Mesopotamia, ginatawag nila ilang kaugalingon og shepherd sa katawan. So when David says, "The Lord is my shepherd," he is not being sentimental. He is being revolutionary. Murag nag-ingon siya ba? Dili ang emperador ang akong hari. Dili ang abusadong leader, kundili ang Ginoo mao ang akong tinuod nga hari. To understand this psalm, we must step into the sandals of an ancient Israelite. Naglakaw sa ugang nga yuta, nagatubang og mga hari nga walay hustisya, ug nagapangita og magbalantay nga tinuod. Shepherd as king. In the ancient Near East, kings were called shepherds. Dili lang tigbantay og karnero, kundi magbalantay sa katawhan. But most kings, they devoured the sheep. Si David naka-experience ana, he saw abusive power. So when he says God is shepherd, he means God rules differently. Ang Dios dili mangilog, dili mag-abuso. He protects, he provides, and he restores. Green pastures and still waters. Israel is semi-arid. Lunhaw nga kapatagan, rare kaayo na. Still waters, kung baha na, delikado. So when David says, "He makes me lie down in green pastures," he is describing miracle level provision. Dili ni picnic, this is survival. Sama sa mag-uuma sa panahon sa grabe nga tag-init. Kung makakita og tubig, milagro na. Psalms 23 is not luxury. It is God sustaining life in harsh terrain. Paths of righteousness. In Hebrew, this means paths of covenant faithfulness. Dili lang ni moral perfection, it means God is leading His people according to His promises. Ang dalang matarong is the road where God keeps His covenant. Even when we fail, He remains faithful. The valley of deep darkness. The Hebrew phrase is not just shadow of death. It means overwhelming darkness, gubat, gutom, pagkabilanggo, bagyo sa kinabuhi. Ang valley dili metaphor lang sa kamatayon. It is any season where you feel swallowed by chaos. And yet, David says, "I will fear no evil." Why? Not because danger disappears, but because the presence of God changes everything. Sa bata nga naa sa ngit-ngit nga kwarto, kung naa ang iyang amahan, mawala ang kahadlok. The power is not in the absence of danger, the power is in the presence of the shepherd king. Table before enemies. This is not casual dinner. Dili ni kaon-kaon lang. In Jewish culture, a banquet is covenant celebration. It is a victory language. Imagine this. Enemy still watching, but you are seated. Dili ka nagadagan, dili ka nagatago. You are honored. Ang Diyos dili lang nagaluwas nimo. He restores your identity publicly. He declares, "This one belongs to me." That is kingship language. Ang contrast o challenge ni Amy, most of us read Psalms 23 as comfort. But in its original world, it was a battle cry. It was Israel saying, "We may not have armies like Egypt. We may not have power like Babylon. But we have a king, a shepherd king." Kasagaran nato, comfort lang atong madungog. Pero para nila, identity, covenant, o allegiance. So when David says, "The Lord is my shepherd," he is proclaiming loyalty. Murag nagpanumpa siya og allegiance ba? Ang Ginoo ang akong hari. Siya ang naghatag, siya ang nagapanalipod, siya ang nagapamatuod kanako. Psalms 23 is not weak faith. It is a defiant trust. So next time you hear Psalm 23, don't just hear a gentle hymn. Hear a declaration sa matag valley, sa matag pagsulay, sa matag lamisa nga giandam bisan pa na ang kaaway. God is not just comforting you. He is enthroning you in a covenant love. Ang Salmo 23 dili lang awit sa kahupayan. Kini pamahayag nga ang tinuod nga hari nagahari gihapon. And that is the Psalm 23 you didn't know.